Hi everyone, my name is Shubhangi and I'm a second year student at the University of Washington. I'm also a guest vlogger for the Housing and Food Services. So Housing and Food Services are starting with this new series in the Dogs vlog that is introducing new guest vloggers and having different Husky experiences, share with all the audiences. So I'm one of them, and today I will just be introducing myself and give you all a room tour of my double room. It's a two-person room in Alder Hall, and which is located in the West Campus of the university. I share my room with another person. She is from Washington State, so that really helps me understand America in general, know about different things that are around in the state, in Seattle, and just understand American culture very nicely. I have always lived with my sibling, so always in a double, and that just really helped me transition in more easily in America and in the university. Because I was living in a double room last year in Lander. That's another hall in West Campus. So something that has changed from last year was that I got a random roommate this year, and it has been a great experience so far. My roommate's great. It's really convenient, to live with someone, but then living with another person, like someone that you completely don't know, is just a really good experience. So let's get started. So basically I have my bed lofted on the second level because I don't want to be very close to the roof. So that's why it's here, and I have used the space under the bed to store my luggage and to store my food and my laundry bag. So it has a lot of storage inside. As you can see, there's my laundry bag here right there, and just a lot of containers all around. Over my bed are my fairy lights that I really like. They just give me a happiness, just to see them at night, and they are very warm, so just some coziness in the room. Here's my side table. I just like putting some tissues and some storage organizer and a power cord and my night lamp here. So this is my art corner. I really like making art, so here it is. I just go to different events in the university and make these things. They just give me happiness, and it's a way of relaxing for me. We've also had a microwave and a refrigerator in our room. I just feel it is really handy, and it just helps us to be in our own space and just not go again and again outside for heating food. We have two wardrobes here. The one on the left is my wardrobe, and yeah, so it's pretty spacious. Honestly, I have a lot of stuff here. It has two big drawers, and just helps me organize my stuff really nicely. I have some of my coats and my jackets here. Yep. And I have a space for my footwears here. Coming to the left side of my room, I have my study table. So here's my study table. And this is a calendar that I use. It's also a shrine for me, a small shrine in my room. I like to pray sometimes. So this is just a depiction of my faith. And apart from that, here's the organizer that I have. It has a lot of stuff, stationery things. There's my speaker. I like to play music sometimes when I'm in the rooms and when I have my friends over. So there's a speaker that I have, and here's my computer. This is the last corner of my room. It is basically a sitting corner for me. I really like this space because it's really personalized, and I can do my own stuff here. It's just very cozy and gives me a lot of safety in the room. I have this peacock feather that has a lot of colors, just makes my room really look pretty. And here is my rug with a lot of cushions. I'm a big fan of cushions. So yes, I just study here, do my homework, or just hang out with my friends when they're over. And yeah, just it's my chilling place. Coming down to my succulents, I really like plants, and I like watering them. I think it's a big responsibility to take care of plants. So here are my plants, and they're basically from different events across the universities. I have this great view of the Brooklyn Avenue and the downtown Seattle, so it's pretty nice. So when I was leaving Asia and coming to Seattle for my education here, I got this from my brother. Just like he was just depicting his love for me, and that was really cute. I really felt that you know, like he's gonna miss me when I'm gonna come here. So yes, this is something that I really like. And lastly, this is a photo frame. It says Dare to Do. It's from UW, and just something more to give me motivation and be more positive. Well, so this is the end of my room tour. I hope you liked it, and I'm really glad that I could share this experience with you. And along with this, I would again like to mention that I feel it's a great experience for me to live in double room. So yeah, I really enjoy sharing the space with another person and having someone over all the time. So if you have any questions, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and subscribe HFS, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.